Hello guys, welcome to Dividend Kingdom. Today I want to talk you about my income in 2024, and I will be very simple in breaking down all my earnings, and I will split my earnings between three steps. The first step is my internship that I did this summer, is the second source of my income, is dividend, coupon, and increasing price of my financial instrument that I sold. And the third source of income was trading options, because since November 2024 I started to trade options, more specifically selling puts, making spreads, and selling calls. My income in 2024 of my financial instrument that I were in my portfolio, and for example S&P, my bonds, my individual stocks that pays dividend or coupon, or some financial instrument that I sold with a gain, I put in this account. So in the month of February I made 43 cents. In March I have lost 290 euro because I have sold my position in China. In April, I sold one of my ETF that tracks S&P 500 with a 2,420 euro net income gain. And I have bought another ETF that tracks S&P without the hedging in euro. So I have the same position, but I have realized 2,000 euro of gains. In May, I have received a lot of dividends and coupon. June and July was not a big deal for earnings or dividend or coupon. In September, I have received some coupon and interest. In October, I have received interest, coupon, and dividend as the same as November. And in total, in the year of 2024, through my portfolio, I have done 3,055 euro net in realized profit. So very good year. I'm not telling you how much money I am investing because I will show you maybe in the future, but as you can see, I'm really happy because I made 1,000 more than last year, and this capital gain is net, is after taxes, and is realized. There's a lot of money that I have made in 2024 but is not realized because I have some position in Nasdaq, in semiconductors, in Bitcoin and Ethereum that they really did very well, as you can see, as you can know. And this is my income from the investment portfolio, long-term investment portfolio. The second source is through work, because I'm a student right now. I study banking and finance, and this summer I did an internship in Lugano in Switzerland as a junior portfolio manager internship, and I was doing equity research, bond selection, fund selection and analysis. I was doing of course equity selection, so I was searching for companies to invest with strong balance sheet and really good fund, so for clients that want to invest. And in these 2 months I have worked so hard because, as you can know, portfolio manager and analyst, it's really a long hours, 10 to 12 hours a day of work, but was a very good experience. And back in September I was back to school for my last year of master in finance. My last source of income was option trading. Since November 2024 I started to trade options, and I started to trade options because in my portfolio, my long-term portfolio, I had some individual stocks that didn't generate any income, only to own it because they didn't pay dividend. So I have decided to sell all my individual stocks and take the cash put in the interactive broker accounts, and I started to sell put options to generate income. And as you can see, I put $4,693 dollars on my brokerage account, and in the month of November I did $215 in premium, and in the month of December I did $236 in premium. So a grand total about $452.26 in premium. It's a huge return. It's a 9.4% return on my money, only trading options, selling puts, doing spread, and selling calls. So right now I will make you a very good detail of what I did. So for example, I sold a $10 call on Wall Speed. The expiration date is 24 January 2025. I collect $43 because I own the shares right now. Because the month before I sold a put option on Wall Speed and I earned $68 selling one put options. Crazy, with a collateral of $900. So here's is another put option that I sold to Wall Speed, $31. And here are a Stellantis put option that I sold at 13. I obtained $37 of premium. Here's is another one, 35, and then here is the spread on Nvidia. Sold 174 and bought at 110 something, 124. I made $50 on this transaction in 3 days, just before earnings on Nvidia, 3 days before the last earnings on Nvidia. I was betting that the price didn't go down more than 8%, and I have made $50 on 300 on collateral. Then I sold the put option on NEO, $64. Put option on here, also NEO. Put option on NEO another time. Put option on American Airlines, $46. Put option on American Airlines, 46. So as you can see, guys, I did lots of put option and call option, so my grand total was $452. Technically, when you sell a put option, you receive a premium in the time that you sell the option. At maturity, if the price of the company is below the strike price of the put option, you receive you have to buy the shares at the price of the strike. If the price is above, nothing happens. I roll over the position, so I get another premium. So this is my strategy. Well, it's more complicated than this. Here is very simple, but technically I trade options. Really simple for me. But if you want to start to trade options, it's better that you study a lot more. So my grand total earn in 2024 is €5,000 net. So I'm really happy with this result. And of course the net income is lower because I have bought my personal computer in March 2024, and in December I have made a gift to my girlfriend for Christmas. And but the main total earnings was €5,000, and I'm really happy with this result because I can make more money in the future, because I will become a better investor for options. And I think that in February I will start working as a portfolio manager at one of the biggest bank in Italy, so I can make more money because I'm working. I can work, I can save a lot of money, I can invest a lot of money. So my strategy for 2025 is to invest in put options and call options to make more premium so I can make more money. And of course, I will dollar cost averaging some ETFs as I always did. So guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and tell me if you like it. Bye bye guys.